Morning, guys. Good morning. Oh, look at my sweet peppers. Look at my sweet peppers, guys. Well, I just reached just now. I tell you, say, me tired. I'm not start yet. See, I catch water from down at the river. As me tell you, say, me have to walk go all the way through the so. For carry water, me use them here. For full the drum them. And then now, me have to go through. Me no finish plant out the sweet pepper them yet, guys. Me go show you the bed. I wonder me should have shown you the bed before me start water. Alright. So them are what we put in from yesterday, day before yesterday and yesterday. Right? So me I go show you what left. More up there so what me put in. Just follow the camera. Uh, so all the way I look on sweet pepper. Guys, this is my first time doing this, and I think I am doing a great job so far in spite of my struggle with water right now. Alright, so me I can show you the other side. Alright, me have a few here, so me I go fuck up this side over here. Leave, we never finish. So few there right here, so me not show me bed yet. Wait, guys. One things that me start plant yet. Alright, guys. So this is our next section. This is our next section again. This is our next section again. Go all the way over there, so look, all the way over there. Alright. So you think so me finish putting sweet pepper, right? You think so. Let me show you something. Look. look when look when the sweet pepper bed. I am telling you that I planted almost, I think I planted like 800 already. Look, 800. Look, guys, tell me now how am I gonna manage? Oh my lord, yeah. It still look like say nothing no come out, right? It don't look like nothing come out. Oh my god. So basically today what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use the my pickaxe because I'm alone here today. So after I finish watering the sweet peppers, I'm going to try and use the pickaxe to dig some holes myself. Oh my god, guys. Look at my beautiful tomatoes. Tried tie them up yesterday. I tie up them yesterday evening. The other day, I did just stick them, but in tie up few of them. The one them were really go wild. You understand? So this is my tomato bed. As you can see, this is my tomato bed. Yes, yes, guys. So I don't know who is coming to help me plant some of these sweet peppers. I need all the help that I can get. All the help I can get. But I'm definitely going to get them in the ground. I sprayed these the other days, because I realized that something was eating the leaves. Something was eating the leaves. So I sprayed them with the insecticide again the other day. So next week, Thursday, that's when I'm going to spray them again. The few little tomato seed that I'm showing, so them are going to. I guess most of them never good. And the other sweet pepper bed over there is coming on good as well. Guys, join me on this journey. It's going to be it's going to be the best. Like, I am so anxious to see what this ground can produce, and I still have more land to clear. I have so much more land to clear, but phase 1, phase 2 over there still in progress. So join me on this journey, guys. I'm going to go ahead now and water the sweet peppers. My melons are looking alright. Them alright. Them are going good. Happy Sunday, guys. Happy Sunday from Mr. Melon. See? Maguando. Yeah, beside a sweet pepper too. See? Oh my god, guys. It's a lot, so. I'm just gonna. Oh shoot! I just remember that I left the 30 down by my house. I need to go and get it. I need to go and get the bag of 30 so I can fertilize these ones that are planted already. I have a small portion of 30 up here. I'm just going to show you guys how I am going to fertilize my sweet peppers. In a few, I will show you guys how I am going to fertilize them. So I'm just going to go ahead now and water row by row until the drum is finished. But I don't think I am in the mood to catch any more water today. I can't manage it, guys. Not today. See, row by row. I need to bring my ring light so I can get to put it on it so you guys can see me better. I don't even know if you were seeing me just now. Uh, so I'm doing it row by row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's 13 in this row. 2, 2 each to a hole. You know, so I should have put 3, 3. I swear, to the amount I have, I should have really put 3, 3 instead of put 2, 2. What do you think? Comment, guys, and tell me what you think. You think I should put 3, 3 to the holes or continue on with the 2, 2? What you think? Comment and let me know. I'm going to go ahead now and finish watering. So I'll catch you guys later in the next video. Thank you. Remember to subscribe and like and share my video and leave a comment as well. Thank you. Out. Bye from me and my sweet peppers and the rest of the plants. See y'all later.